So we here, y'all. I'm doing my upper control arms, serial 9s. Alright, so I got this off. I knocked this a couple times. Let's give it a nice little boom. Break these off. Some on still. Yeah. There's nothing much. 2 fucking bolts. I'm pretty sure that came out and everything, so should be good from here. This is a very quick job. Overall time probably like 30 minutes if your bolt come up. If everything comes out how it's supposed to, you're good. I'm trying to take these out by hand. Yeah. Sorry the light is in your way. Take these 2 out. Move the hammer, move this. I can see a little bit of what's going on here. You just gotta be very careful of your brake line right there, so don't pull out. So try and make sure you hold it. And make sure you keep your bolts separate. This one's the back one. I'll put that one right there. And your front. That one in the front. This should come out now. Mine has been knocking around so much. It's just been extra play and everything in it. Put these right here. If you don't have a pry bar, get a pry bar. Pry bar, your best friend. Alright, be careful, you don't squeeze your finger like I did. This I can hit. Alright, just out of there. You don't need this anymore, it's trash. So you can hit that. But if you're putting one in and you're using the same one, I wouldn't go back up like that. So pretty good. And nothing's broken or anything. Everything's in place. But yeah, I'm resize the other ones and then get ready to put them in. Following your serial 9s, you want to make sure that this back one is like this up in here. If you have it the opposite way, it's not gonna fit. So when you put it up like that, then it fits. That is the correct way to put your serial 9 upper controls in. So I'm putting these in now. I did that like that. These are getting tight, it looks like. I'm gonna hand tighten this and then we're gonna put those in. Pretty much good from here though. Yeah. Driver's side is done.